Today we are looking at the Sandberg Wireless Charger Pad 10WALU. I'm presuming ALU stands for aluminium. Comes with a 5-year warranty. It's a disc shape. It charges without cables, supports fast charge, it's aluminium, it's fast and powerful and QI compatible, and it's also been double quality tested. This product retails for £21.99 or €25.99 or $29.99 US. The rest of the packaging is pretty straightforward. You've got different languages on the back, and then on the side you've got all the specifications. If you're not sure what this device does, in basics you plug it into a USB device, either a PC or a USB wall mount, and then basically you put your phone on top, which is obviously wirelessly compatible, and it will charge it, and it's as simple as that. Inside the box there's not a huge amount of items. You've got no instructions in there, but what you do have is a BullGuard Internet Security free trial, or 3 months free you could say, so it covers 3 devices for 90 days. It's a good product and we have reviewed it in the past. You've also got a cable. The cable is a micro USB cable, and it's roughly 1 meter long. Not the longest in all honesty, so it might be a little bit fiddly getting the length you want and getting it set up, but if you've got plenty of room you should be fine. The charger disc itself, as you can see, is pretty straightforward. It's black on the top, says Sandberg, and on the bottom you've got 4 pads. They're not rubber, they're sort of like more of a plastic, so they do slide around a little bit, which makes you wonder why the pads are actually there. On the side you've got your USB connection. There doesn't seem to be any physical lights on there, but the actual ring itself round the edge does actually glow blue when it is charging. As stated before, the cable is not the longest, so we have to really stretch this cable across our testing rig to be able to charge it up. But as you can see here, the cable just plugs into the side of the actual device. Then you can actually find the correct side. There we go. And as you can see, it lights up blue when you first plug it in, and then it goes, or should I say the light goes off again. Then you get your mobile phone, position it on top, and as you can see it picks up straight away and says it's charging, and you get that blue ring which sort of pulses as it's charging. So that's pretty good. So it's pretty straightforward. There's not a huge amount I can say in this review other than it does what it says on the tin. The only letdown is the bottom is a bit slippy and the cable isn't the longest. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. Don't forget to press the subscribe button over here. That way you'll get all the latest news and all the reviews we do on a weekly basis. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.